to lock a photo app in iPhone without using any additional apps. You can lock photo app on your iPhone without using any additional app by using the iPhone's built-in features with the password or Face ID. And here is how to do so. First of all, locate the photo app, and all you have to do is long press on the Photos app and a drop-down menu will appear. Then there you can see require Face ID option available there. If you are using the Touch ID version, then you'll get to see Touch ID, or if you are using only the password option, then you'll get to see require password option available here. Then confirm require Face ID. Now tap on the done option available there. Now every time you use or open photo app on your iPhone, then you will be asked your Face ID, Touch ID or password according to your iOS version. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.